Debonair Group is a 100% export-oriented private company integrated in high-value outerwear and homeware products in Bangladesh. Company started its journey since 1991 and established its way towards sustainability vision in 2020. Corporate head office is located at Noakhali DOHS and facilities are established at Ashulia, Gazipur, Shalna and Bhaluka, Mymensingh. With visionary guidance of our founding chairman, late Muhammad Nurun Nabi FCA, dynamic and commendable work of Managing Director Muhammad Ayub Khan FCA, and our current chairperson, architect Nayara Noor's contributions paced Debonair to become a successful group consisting of several sister concerns, namely Debonair Limited, Orbitex Knitwear Limited, Samin Wintermate Limited, Friends Knittings Limited, Shine Embroidery Limited, Debonair Padding and Quilting Solution Limited, Debonair Home and Outdoor Product Limited, Innovative Fabrics Limited, Debonair Felt and Geotextile Limited, Kurpul Horticulture Limited. Debonair Group is a diversified but mostly interlinked business platform, which is a vertically integrated and compliant high-tech outerwear and homeware manufacturing project. Its operations are supported and strengthened by purely dedicated in-house production facilities, such as for manufacturing polystaple fiber, padding, quilting, needle punch, felt embroidery, rib making, printing and accessories, etc. For a truly vertical integration, Debonair has taken steps to produce 40 tons per day polystaple fiber from waste PET bottles. In its USGBC certified campus, Debonair is committed to implementing 3R, reuse, reduce, recycle procedure in its production plant and to ensure sustainable manufacturing practices throughout the whole process. In this age of fourth industrial revolution, Debonair has advanced its industrial automation process to reach novel heights through digital transformation of industrial engineering and technology. One of the first innovative industrial model which is on the verge of achieving the benchmark of Industry 4.0. Debonair enjoys as high as 22% growth rate in terms of expansion of business, and this has resulted in its last year's accumulated export turnover of $180 million, and by the end of 2022, it is likely to reach about $220 million. Within the year 2025, the total export turnover is expected to reach about $300 million. Own-generated ERP system and integrated QR code-run inventory control give Debonair cutting edge in business efficiency. Well-groomed internal audit department, dynamic planning and IE departments confirm its cost-effectiveness and time-bound productions in achieving Group's overall milestones. Superior quality and on-time delivery performance have made Debonair Group able to attract and gain trust of numerous prestigious buyers from across Europe, North America and Australia. Having similarity with woven knit and heavy knit production processes in many areas, Debonair is largely different and innovative in production processes, except real downfilling, which Debonair sources from reputed overseas suppliers. Debonair has excellent setups for producing all kinds of accessories it needs, except zipper and metal buttons. It is necessary to mention that using jacquard machines, it produces high-quality ribs. Debonair stores and controls all of its production materials in accordance with compliance and in a fast and secured manner. A multi-layer racking system is installed to accommodate 100,000 pieces of stuffed cartons at a time, and warehouse inventory is managed in a systematic manner to ensure flawless and faster delivery of goods within a strict time frame. Debonair is well equipped with in-house printing facilities by being able to apply colors up to 12 in printing, and it prints about 80,000 dozens per month. It is also self-reliant in embroidery facilities, having the capacity to produce about 300 million stitches per month. Debonair developed high-tech buyer-accredited lab facilities for ensuring product safety and other test parameters. Debonair has its own design team, designing and developing world-class samples using software like Browseware and Clo. With WGSM in mind, Debonair tracking the world trend with 3D sample designing, as well as seasonal design proposals, that keeps it always one step ahead of everyone else in the field of fashion. Its dedicated R&D department personnel working excellently on improving and executing the best possible samples. Depending on styles and based on SMV, Debonair produces 180 to 220 samples per day. Starting from design and development, Debonair is techno-led all through, utilizing most contemporary CAD/CAM. It obtains patterns and markers and then uses auto-spreading machine with vacuum table and auto cutters to cut fabrics, ensuring optimum usage of fabrics and identical production of outwears according to the approved samples. However, its production floors are the unique examples of industrial engineering and therefore it has successfully embraced over time the Six Sigma PDCA and Toyota-compatible lean process of manufacturing, and thereby altogether has developed its own DSP, or Debonair Standard Production System, through extensive industrial research and training. Debonair sewing and other machines are ecotech, energy efficient and environment friendly. One of the best beauties of DSP is that for critical modules in sewing operations, such as in panel and pocket sewing, Debonair adopts specialized template unit approach as a unique complement to its sewing lines. Those complementary units use the latest laser cutting and automatic seller machines to let line operations run with speed, preventing piling up of inventories at critical sewing points. This adaptation has impressively contributed to attaining Debonair's high level of efficiency and productivity indeed. Debonair utilizes process-critical high-end computerized equipment and machines such as pattern sewing, horizontal and vertical quilting, auto downfilling, auto fake downfilling, ultrasonic seam sealing, seamless sewing, auto quilting, auto button attaching for smoking machines of 32 needles and 16 needles, and many others. In collaboration with a renowned client, Debonair has made it possible to produce high-quality woolen products. At present, Debonair has the monthly capacity of producing 1.2 million pieces of outerwear, with the average SMV of 50 through 113 lines operation. It produces all kinds of heavy winter jackets and lightwear, or summer jackets and transitional as well as non-transitional jackets like padded jackets, quilted jackets, bomber jackets, bonded jackets, fake down jackets, flannel jackets, parka and trench jackets, seam sealing jackets, seamless jackets, ski jackets, soft shell jackets, summer jackets, unlined jackets, vests, woolen coats and sportswear for all seasons in casual and fashion categories and for all the age and gender groups. Some of its valued clients are the North Face, Timberland, H&M, Benetton, Dickies, Vans, Napa Pidgery, C&A, Kiabi, Camel Active, Camp David, OTCF, Bestseller, Tom Taylor, Kmart, Inditex, Nautica, LC Waikiki, etc. Debonair Group has established home textile for the strengthening of operation. In its green certified factory, Debonair has been producing high-quality home textile and outdoor product lines since 2018, such as pillows, quilted pillow and cushion covers, quilted comforter, mattress protector, duvet, quilted blanket, sleeping pad, chair pads, floor cushions with high-end design and texture to cater international clients. At present, more than 16,000 people are working with Debonair family. Debonair has always given the employees one of the highest priorities and made the facility in accordance. Debonair fulfills all the necessary requirements, rules and conventions required for the workplace environment, both locally and internationally. A competent WPC is dedicated to making the members aware of their rights and basic needs. Its firefighting and prevention measures and preparations are of international standard. All the local and international rules and conventions required for workplace compliance are strictly applied here. Building structural integrity conforming to appropriate local and international regulations and standards in the befitting way, major of which are RSC, RAP, AM4ABSCI, SEDEX, Better Work, Okotex 100, Okotex STEP, GRS, RCS, GOTS, OCS, RDS, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, ISO 45001-2018, Sustainable Apparel Coalition HIG Index and LEED certified. A biotechnical storage system is installed to prevent the spillage and protect the environment. The water is treated properly, and the treated water is later used for gardening and various secondary purposes. More than 50% of the total site is kept open for garden and pond, which vastly enhances the beauty and working environment of the facility. A rooftop solar plant is also installed and being upgraded to a mega solar producing unit, which is estimated to produce 1.2 megawatt of electricity. Debonair Group is highly responsive towards restoring green and clean environment by elimination of carbon emission through forestation and agriculture at Shikarpur Horticulture. It helps to improve the lives of local inhabitants through farming, cultivation and fisheries on over 100 acres of land round the year. At Debonair, we strongly believe in working together, winning together. Debonair is extremely focused in satisfying its clients to the best possible manner and looking forward to maintaining a long-term relationship with its clients, confirming a win-win situation. We stand out with our world-class quality and efficiency, enabling us to become the symbol of excellence in outerwear and homeware industries in Bangladesh. We are Debonair.